Interplay's sim-based training has always been available via your browser. We're excited to announce a desktop app that will allow yourself and your team to launch the training straight from your desktop. The best part is that your sim training will now load very quickly and with a higher fidelity. And if you get access to an HTC Vive headset, you'll be able to launch the sim trainings in full virtual reality. Let's see how you can easily download the app to your desktop. First, start by clicking on the link you were given in your introduction email or directed to from the Interplay website. Very easily, you can see a button on the left that says Learn about our faster desktop and VR apps. Click here. This website has details about the app and the Download App button. Click the Download Windows App button. Now you'll see the app download initiate. I'm currently using Google Chrome, and I can see the file downloading in the bottom left corner. If you do not see that on your browser, it is most likely in your Downloads folder. Once completed, click on the module or right-click on the arrow and select to open the app. You'll get a Windows security pop-up. Do not fret, everything is okay. Click More Info and then you'll be given the opportunity to run anyway. This will initiate the final install of the application. And voila, you will now have an identical access to the training as via the website, but with just improved performance. Sign in using the same login information. No matter how or where you train, all your progress is tracked. Whether you're learning via watching videos on your phone, doing sims on your laptop browser, or doing an activity in VR, all this progress will be tracked to your account. In many cases, companies might have multiple people training on one computer over a given time period. A user can easily log out upon completion, allowing another user to log in when they're ready to start training. We hope you enjoy the app. We believe it creates a great learning experience to help make you or your employees more confident and productive in the field.